Reg is here again. So where are we today? Well, we're in Upton. Oh yes, we are in Upton. Outside police station here, look. And we have the job centre next door, guys.
Right from the opening seconds, the scene is set quietly but deliberately. The auditor arrives outside a police station, calmly narrating his location and letting the environment speak for itself. There's no confrontation yet, just presence, and that's what makes it powerful. A police station, a job center next door, officers nearby. The mood is calm on the surface, but the tension is already baked in. This is the kind of setting where anything can happen, and viewers instinctively know it. The hook isn't noise or chaos, it's anticipation.
Sorry?
You okay?
Yeah, how are you?
What are you doing?
Just writing.
Right, right.
Sorry?
What you're doing, just be right in the
Sorry?
It looked like
No.
you were writing down reg plate numbers.
Reg plate numbers?
Yeah.
No,
You were looking into the car park there as we were leaving. It looked like you were writing down reg plate numbers.
no I wasn't.
You were?
Let's
You
just
were?
see your
Yeah, I saw you
notepad then.
staring at Regis and you were writing them down. Looking at me.
Well, what if I decide to offer up a free service to see if the tax MOT? You can do that legally, right?
You know, why would you?
No, but I'm not, but it's fully transparent. There's no registration plates on there.
Look.
No, it's fine.
You had a notepad.
No, this is the only thing I've got. Writing on this.
Let's have a look at it then.
No.
If it's fully transparent, then why can't I?
Well, look, you can see.
Let's have a look.
I've just showed
You
you.
keep moving it around and I can't read it, can I?
Can you see any registrations on there?
You're not letting me look long enough, mate.
Well, I don't have to. It's fully legal.
It's just a bit strange, mate, isn't it?
It's fully legal, this.
Outside.
Well, you-
Can you see in
It's
your bag?
odd, mate.
Pardon?
Can I see in your bags?
No.
It doesn't last long. Almost immediately, an officer steps in, and with that approach, the temperature shifts. The questioning begins not with curiosity, but suspicion. The officer suggests the auditor has been writing down vehicle registrations. The accusation hangs in the air. The auditor responds calmly, even transparently, showing what he's holding, but the seed has already been planted. This is the moment when a casual presence turns into an official interaction, and the power dynamic begins to change.
It's my bag.
If we're completely transparent, then why can't you be transparent?
You said you'd seen me writing registrations.
Yes, you kept looking
Anyway,
at it.
am I being detained?
What is going on with you?
I'm not writing registration plates down.
I find this behaviour really weird.
Seriously?
Yes.
I think your behaviour's
Can
weird.
I take your name?
No, thank you.
Why not?
I'd like to keep it.
I don't
Why won't you
understand
give
why
us your
think-
details? You can't stand outside a police station, take photos of personal cars of people and write them down.
Oh, you
and
can
then
if you
not
wanted
give us
to,
your
but that's
details.
not. I've
You
not.
can't, mate.
Yeah, you can.
No, you can't.
I didn't say I was doing that though. You said I was doing
I
that.
watched it. I was sitting in there and I watched it.
I was writing notes outside here.
Yeah.
You said I was taking personal number plates down,
yeah,
right?
We've literally just sat and
staring.
watched.
You said that I was.
Yeah, I've
You were
just sat
staring
and
at
watched
cars
it.
and you were literally
I was staring at.
looking up, writing something down, and then looking down.
But you
and
said
writing
number
down.
plates.
Oh, sorry.
You said number plates.
Yes.
Yeah, because you were writing them down.
It was so clear.
I'm showing you on a piece of
Your behaviour
perspex.
showed it.
But you said number plates, right?
Yeah.
So, I'm telling you that I'm not writing people's number plates
Well,
down.
you're so being so cagey about it because you just.
No, but what I am saying, if I wanted to write people's number plates down, I could still. There's nothing
It's very
illegal.
odd- it's very
But
odd
I'm
behaviour.
telling you that I'm not doing that, and you're saying that I am.
Well, what were you doing then?
I'm writing.
Writing what?
That's what I'm saying. It's on a need-to-know basis.
Well, why are you staring into the car park
I'm
and
s-
writing things down on that?
There's nothing illegal about that, miss. Anyway,
still
can I ask you a
Can I
question?
take your details?
No, thank you.
What is
Am
your
I being-
name? I'm going
am
to
I-
need to verify you before
No,
you
you're
go.
not.
Yeah, we do.
I've not committed any crimes. You
Tell me
can't.
your
Do you
name.
not understand that weird and really concerning the behaviour?
Sir, if you can't start calling me weird, I will say you're weird.
I'm calling behaviour weird.
What, by writing in a street?
Yeah, because, no, by walking into the car park and looking at cars and writing.
You said I was looking at the cars.
Yes, you were.
But you don't know what my eyes are looking at
Well,
when I
know
can see.
your behaviour's showing something.
You have said that I'm writing number plates down. I have said I'm not. But I've also stated if I wanted to write number plates down,
Record the interaction, are you?
yes.
Yeah, on your glasses.
Yes.
Okay, is this for some sort of YouTube?
Am I being detained? That's
I'm asking the question.
I need to ask you a question. Am I being
Is
detained?
it for YouTube?
Am I being detained?
Is it for YouTube?
Am I being detained?
Yeah, do you have an ID on you and I can verify
Am
you
I
and we
being
can let you
detained,
go?
miss?
You're not being detained at the
Right,
minute,
I'm
no.
free to go then. Okay.
Can I have
Thank
your-
Now,
the
the exchange escalates. The officer doubles down, repeatedly implying wrongdoing and calling the auditor's behavior weird. The auditor pushes back firmly, but legally, making one thing clear: no crime has been committed. Then comes the pivotal question, the one that changes everything. Am I being detained? It's asked again and again, and each time it exposes the uncertainty behind the officer's authority. This is no longer casual questioning. It's a test of boundaries, and neither side is willing to
Neither
back
side.
down.
ID, you know,
No, thank you.
You okay, mate? Yeah.
Yes, I'm just. You took me away from what I was doing.
You're trying to get a reaction, aren't you?
No, you're trying to get a reaction out of me, accusing me of something that I have not done.
I'm working.
You said I was
I'm
taking
working.
number
I'm
plates,
working and you're
and
trying
I
to get
can
a
tell you now I'm not taking people's number plates. But I also said, if you wanted to do that, it's fully legal to do.
But why are you doing it? That's
But I'm not. You said I was doing
why are you
that
That's
because I want to take notes in a public space
Of what?
of anything I can see.
Yeah, but of what? What's the purpose for it?
But that's on a need-to-know basis. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Well, I'm trying to find out what that.
Well, if it's illegal and lawful activity, you don't need to know. You don't suspect me of committing a crime, sir, do you? Come
Well,
on.
I don't like the behaviour.
No, I think your behaviour is pretty weird because
Is it?
you insinuated I was doing something that I wasn't doing.
Okay.
I've got it fully transparent here, both ways. There's not one number plate of any vehicle written on my piece of plastic.
Well, as I said, I thought I saw a notepad and you're not showing me your badge, so
I don't need to,
I
sir.
agreed to disagree on.
But if I wanted to get all these number plates down now, I could go to DVLA and do an MOT check, tax check, and there's nothing you can do about it. If
you don't need to, do you?
but if that's the reason why I was here, I could do that, and you couldn't stop me from doing it. But
It's
I'm
just
not here
strange,
for that.
don't they? It's just strange.
Yeah, but you're
You
acting
want
strange.
to do that.
You're wanting me details when I'm not committing a crime. That's pretty strange.
Your behaviour's odd, so I've been
No, no,
to ask for your
you
details.
started off with a bad behaviour by.
didn't at
You
all.
did. You accused me of doing something that I wasn't doing.
Well,
It's strange,
your
isn't it?
behaviour
It's strange.
spoke words. So although you didn't say you did it, you were looking up.
Did you accuse me of doing it twice?
I
You did.
I still believe that you were.
And you haven't seen me any.
I haven't seen inside your bag. I don't even.
Did you see me rubbing anything off on this?
I'm not gonna.
Because it's still there as we speak, right? There's no number plates on this.
But all I'm saying is, you were clearly looking up at cars, writing something down, look back up, write something down again.
You said cars. I didn't say cars.
You were looking at cars.
I was looking at the building.
Anymore, but that's what I saw you doing.
And is that legal to do?
Well, I said the behaviour raised concerns.
No, but even if I wanted to take the registrations down, is that legal to do?
Behaviour raised concerns.
No, but is it legal
The
to do?
dynamic flips. The auditor takes control, not emotionally, but legally. He explains in detail what is and isn't lawful, using DVLA checks and public observation hypotheticals that expose the weakness of the officer's position. The officer tries to justify the suspicion, but the argument begins to unravel. There's no offense, no evidence, just a belief. And belief, as this segment makes painfully clear, isn't enough. The tension peaks not through shouting, but through quiet legal precision.
Well, it depends on what the interest of what you're doing.
So therefore, say for instance I was doing that and I was going to DVLA and offering up a free service to see if the tax.
Free service, because you're not doing anything for anyone else.
My friend, I've just been I've just had a vehicle on my drive for 2 weeks out of MOT, right? That I didn't know that had gone past its date.
Okay.
Now, what's to say some of these officers are here and not running these cars when they don't know their MOT's up? Luckily, my vehicle didn't leave my drive, right? But once I've gone to do some work on it, I'm thinking, oh, just check my MOT. And guess what? It's out of MOT, so I can't. So what I'm
Why don't you just worry about your own car, mate? You don't need to
No,
worry about
why don't
anything
you
else,
worry
then.
about yourself other than me then? Because I'm telling you that I wasn't writing these number plates down.
You don't need to be checking other people's. It's none of your business.
No. Wait, it can be my
No,
business.
it doesn't need to be.
It can be though, because it's not illegal.
Alright.
But I didn't say I was here for that. I was giving you an alternative in regards to, say for instance, I was writing number plates down, which I wasn't. That is what you can do for free, using my own analogy of my own vehicle, right? What if he's no MOT on that vehicle there, and he has a crash? Is his insurance void? Say for instance someone rolled up today and
Either way,
but it's still not illegal, sir.
We'll agree to disagree, aren't we?
Pardon?
We'll agree to disagree, but we've explained why we're stopping.
But you shouldn't tell lies. You told lies,
I
Paul.
didn't say- I
You
didn't say
did.
it
You
was
said you
intentional.
seen me take number plates
Yeah,
down. I
that's-
didn't.
That's what I
believe
believed you were doing.
Yeah.
But I didn't know.
Your behaviour. That's what your behaviour. That's what your behaviour was saying.
I rocked up here, right?
Walking close
Within
to the barrier,
seconds, you come out
walking close
and you
to the
accuse me
barrier.
of taking back
Yeah,
registration.
looking at Reg's,
I wasn't looking at Reggie's.
Okay, well, I said we'll agree to disagree, but I think that's what you were doing. So that's
But what happens if someone comes to take Reggie's? Are you gonna?
that's
Are you gonna?
that's where we'll leave it.
Yeah, but are you gonna act like that with them? Because I've not done that. I've not took Reggie's. I'm not here for anybody's registrations or personal details, but you can't get them anyway off DVLA.
Well, are you done here now?
No, I've got a lot of writing to do in the area.
Were you done here?
Well, no.
No.
I wanted to chill out.
Nice.
Okay. Can I have your call numbers, please?
Yes, 723.
And yours, miss?
8135.
Thank you very much.
Confrontation begins to lose momentum, but not because the issue is resolved. It's because the justification collapses. The officer concedes ground, retreating into vague statements and agreeing to disagree. The auditor stays composed, repeating the core truth: legality hasn't been breached. This is the silent victory moment. No arrest, no detention, just authority slowly stepping back once it realizes it has nowhere left to go.
See you later. Blues for that. What? Literally, guys. That literally only just bloody landed. And they couldn't even park in one at base. That is crazy. So they're still there, guys. They're not going anywhere. Oh yeah, they are.
The confrontation over, the camera lingers. The auditor reflects. Police vehicles remain, then eventually move on. The tension dissolves, but the message lingers. This final segment isn't about conflict, it's about consequence. It shows what happens after authority is questioned and boundaries are enforced. No drama, no chaos, just a quiet reminder. Presence alone can provoke power, and knowing your rights can be enough to hold it in check.